What if I told you that you can draw people's attention on your videos? Yes, you can draw their attention with these tips or with these ways that I'm going to show you. You can draw their attention and make them watch your video by force, by fire. You don't need to bother yourself, but just follow this instruction that I'm going to give you now. You can draw their attention anyhow you want to draw their attention. You can draw their attention. They must watch your video. Okay, just follow me. Let's dive into it, and I'm going to teach you how you can do it. Let's dive in. Number one, hook your audience by first 10 seconds of your video. Don't start your video, hi guys, my name is this, my name is that, I'm going to teach you how you can. No, hook your audience with your first or 10 seconds video. As you can see my own, just this one. What is video? What if I told you that you can create a Bible story or any type of story, both animated story or any kind of story, with just an AI? So by that you can attract audience to watch your video by 5x4. But when you start, hi guys, my name is this, I'm a YouTuber, I'm a content creator, I'm here to show you how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel, or how you can do this or how you can do that. No, it will make your audience to scroll your video. But when you hook your audience with your first or 10 seconds video, they will know and they will wait and watch how that video is going to be. Okay, so with that one, you draw people attention to watch your video. And the other one is use fast visual edit on your YouTube videos like this. Be consistent in the right way, not posting every day. Just be consistent. You can create any type of story. When you use fast visual edit, what that mean? You like sound effects, anything, any type of sound, so that audience will like to stay and watch your video to the end. But when your video is boring, you do not have any effect visual, there's no visual in your video, you don't have any effect in your video, both sound, anything that will attract audience to watch your video, you know, your video cannot go viral, people cannot watch it. But when you use fast visual and edit your video, you will put your whole lot of work in your video, it will make your video to go viral and it will attract audience to watch your video. What does that mean? Most of you script your video and show yourself on camera, but in the part of editing your scale zero. What does that mean? When you edit your video, when you script all your video and you show yourself on camera, the place that takes time is editing, because how you edit your video is how your video will look like. Then the other one is emotion strategy. What did I mean by emotion strategy? Is your body movement or emotion. Don't be on camera and be shy and not focus. Just focus on what you want to do. Be emotional, okay? Just put your effort so that people can know that you are serious. But when you are camera and you are not being serious, it will not attract audience to watch your video. But being serious and be emotional in your video can help audience to watch your video and can draw more attention of people in your video. Then the other one is optimize your thumbnail and your title. When your thumbnail or title is not optimized, you cannot draw people's attention in that video. What did I mean? In your title on your thumbnail, because thumbnail is the first thing that audience will watch before clicking on that video. Get that thing in mind, because when your thumbnail is rubbish, you don't edit your thumbnail perfectly, maybe your video is good but your thumbnail is not good, people will not watch that video. But when your thumbnail is good, they will click it, they must click it and say, let me watch this video and let me know something about this video. This video might be helpful. But when your thumbnail is not good, you just edit bad thumbnail, people might not get to do what click it. You might get impression because they have seen the thumbnail, but they might not do what click it and you get what views that you want. So thumbnail and title is the thing that will make audience to watch your video, and thumbnail and title is supposed to be the same. Don't add text on thumbnail and different text on your title. No, make all of them to match. Okay, use the same strategy so that when they see your thumbnail and your title, they will say, this video, let me watch it. But when your thumbnail is saying other things and your title is saying different things, it will not attract audience to watch your video. Then write your script. What did I mean by writing your script? when you write your script, it will make you to do what, edit good video. But when your script is not properly do what, script, you cannot edit video. As you can see my own, this I have a book that can use to do what, write my own script.